Hey guys, what's going on? We are gonna open some packs today. This is my first video on opening packs. And let's see what I get. Alright, here we go, first one. Bonus card first. Now, there's a few things I want to talk about on the pack. The characters that they're pumping out, like Ram, Canctus, and Thavis Canctus, they should all have an equal percentage on a chance to get. As some of you know, that Ram is a very low percentage to get, unlike Canctus and Savage Canctus. I just get mostly bullshit in these packs. I only get like 2 out of this. Oh, there's your duplicate. Good job, TC. I just want to talk an update on my channel. I do montages, funny moments, etc. I'm trying to get in commentaries, but it's really nerve-wracking. But somewhere in the future, I will try to get used to it. Let's see, what else? I will do a showcase on the Canctus. But I don't know. But somewhere in the future, once I get the right equipment to record, edit, etc. and shit, I will bring more videos in. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm just not used to this commentating shit. I don't know how some of these other YouTubers do it. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Good night. Here you go, I got Ram.